Oh, damn, Jada. Oh, easy, baby. Ay, ay, ay. You gonna make me get divorced and shit, all right? Let me put it for the camera right quick. Oh. All right, Jada. She shakes that healthy ass like this. Tiffany from Atlanta, Georgia. You better walk it like a motherfucking target. Go ahead. Atlanta, Georgia, baby girl. Pose for the camera. All right now, you better shake for Atlanta like this, DJ. All right, little mermaid from Tennessee. Walk like a sexy ass model that you all. Go ahead, girl. Oh, crap. Oh, damn. Oh, I'm parking like I want it, baby. I'm parking like I want it, my love. You better pause for the camera, you sexy senorita. Now, here we go, baby G. She shakes that healthy motherfucking ass like this. What's your sexy ass name and where you from?
My name is Richard. My name is Trinity and I'm from Los Angeles.
Oh shit, the shy. Oh, she's shy, baby. Oh yeah, you better be careful with this one. She gonna do like backflips and shit. Watch. All right, Trinity from Los Angeles, California. Walk like a sexy ass woman that you are, Trinity. Trinity, your ass is the reason why this boat is rocking so goddamn much. You got that ass you can see from the front, goddamn it. All right, you better pose for the goddamn camera, cause you better make, hey, Trinity, make that name proud and let's do it like this, DJ. Like a here we go now. Bring it back, oh, you trying to fix your shit? Alright, we got, oh, damn, girl, you stuck it. Oh, Jesus, what the hell? You stuck your name all the way. She said, I got you, girl. Alright. She got your back, girl, and your front, and everything. Alright, mommy, what's your name and where you from, gorgeous?
Kia from Baltimore.
Ooh, Kia from Baltimore. Kia from Baltimore, baby girl. Let me give you a motivation shot right quick, baby G. All right, Kia from Baltimore. All right, Kia from Baltimore. You better represent that ass, because you the challenger. You my number 6. And Kia, she shakes that healthy ass like this. Let's go. She got a what? She got a what? She got a what? She got a what? Damn, Kia. I said, take it off. I said, take it off. I said, take it off. Take it off. 1 more time, we gotta cancel the party. It's that serious. So if anybody's smoking on the boat, don't ruin it for everybody else. So ladies and gentlemen, put that shit away and let's smoke it once we get back on dock, okay? Don't smoke it on the boat. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with your noise and with your claps, you're gonna choose your favorite ass, alright? So here we go. On number 1. Who goes to the party? Number 1, number 1, number 1. Oh shit, baby. Oh my goodness gracious, baby. Alright, congratulations, my love. You are winning so far. Alright, you the champion, right? Yeah, you did that shit, baby. All right, let's go. Look, I got motherfucking dogs barking. What the hell? All right, let's go. Who goes to part number 3? Number 3, oh, shit, Atlanta. Oh, shit, Atlanta. Atlanta. Get this shit out the way. All right, I'm just kidding. Atlanta, you did your shit, baby. All right, let's go. Who goes to part? My number 4, number 4. Oh shit, number 1. Okay. Ooh, baby, you got a lot of friends and shit, all right? Y'all tight as hell, number 3 and number 4. All right, let's go with number 5. Who goes to point number 5? Number 5. You got some fans, baby. Yeah, you got some fans. And let's go. Who goes to point last but not least? Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Mucho bueno, I like it. You better call me after this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go with this one. We're gonna do it like this. Please, por favor, de este lado, my number 3 and my number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have a quick twerk off, okay? A twerk off between Atlanta, Georgia, and Tennessee. Tennessee versus Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta, Georgia versus Tennessee. They're gonna go at the same damn time, okay? At the same time, but please, nobody get in this bitch. Let's do it like this. DJ, trap that beat. Come on. Atlanta, stay right here, baby. Gentlemen, before we announce the champ, applause to all these sexy ladies that did the twerk competition, man. It ain't easy to shake your ass in front of thousands of people. So, yes, thousands. I've been drinking. I see everybody double. Man. I'm sorry. All right, now, the champ of our booty shaking contest twerk competition goes forward. You know what? It's a motherfucking tie between MTL and Tennessee.